In an earlier video, we discussed how your voice is one of your most powerful weapons. In this safety spotlight, we're going to teach you about the hammer fist. Hammer fist is a super easy and useful tool for anyone in self-defense. Most of us have used it within our lives, if you have a brother or a sister. Now, all you need to do is think about making a fist, the striking area being the bottom of your fist, and targeting the nose area of the face on your suspect. And it'll look a little like this. When I get my hammer fist ready, I put it up by my head with my elbow pointed out, my fist is pointed up, and I strike simply by extending my arm. Just like that. If I combine that with the other weapon, my voice, it looks a little like this. No! Hammer fist. Remember, we all have a role in keeping each other safe. To learn more, visit the Safety Spotlight on our website at dps.osu.edu/resources.